What's up, everybody? Chef Oruch coming at you straight from my apartment kitchen, about to make one of my favorite things that we have at the restaurant. This is our jumbo lump crab cakes, baby. So we just start with a little bit of olive oil in the pan, not too much. The little bit of panko is gonna be on each side of the crab cakes. So we're just gonna toss these in. They're gonna go for about 3 minutes a side or so. This crab cake recipe is, believe it or not, actually older than I am. So it's pushing almost 30 years old, this crab cake recipe. So my dad created this forever ago. It's literally just crab meat, a little bit of cilantro, some red bell peppers, some panko only on the outside, and then a little bit of egg beater just holds everything together. So I like to say it's literally crab with just a little bit more crab. My favorite two sauces to do with the crab cakes, we've got a cocktail sauce, we've got a remoulade sauce. So we're gonna go ahead and throw that on the plate here. Make it look nice and pretty. And then we've got our remoulade sauce here as well. The crab cakes, like I said, they're gonna take about 3 minutes or so on each side. The nice thing is the crab cakes have panko on both sides, so they're gonna tell you when to turn them depending on how crispy you like it. Like so, you get that nice golden brown crust. Beautiful. One of the top selling things we have at the restaurant, something that we have available every single day that we're open, we will have crab cakes in some way, shape, or form. These are gonna be our large size crab cakes. We also have a mini crab cake that's perfect for parties, which is gonna be half that size. Then actually a petite size crab cake, which is gonna be a quarter of this. So bite size if you're hosting large amounts of people. But literally one of my favorite things that we have here, super easy to do at your house. All you have to do is get your pan nice and hot and be a little bit patient with the panko. And then bada bing, bada boom. We serve with our sauces. Squeeze a little lemon if you like, and enjoy.